Namaste, Vanakkam, and a very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Samina, your host for today, and it is my absolute pleasure and honor to welcome you all on this wonderful occasion on behalf of Caterpillar, Gemco Cat, and Gainwell Cat. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the first of its kind grand virtual launch of the all-new Cat 4x4 backhoe loader designed to lead the way. Now, before we begin with our event, I'd like to take a minute to extend my heartfelt gratitude and appreciation to each one of y'all. Thank you so much for taking time out from your busy schedules and joining us on this momentous occasion. It goes without saying that over the years, we've celebrated many success stories and victories, which is in short the result of the amazing support and contribution that you, our customers, have given us. And for that, we're truly grateful. You are the driving force behind our business, and we hope that together we can scale greater heights. That being said, the COVID-19 global pandemic brought with it many challenges. But not even a global pandemic can stop us from doing what we do best. And so here we are, bringing to you the launch of yet another state-of-the-art machine that is going to take your business to the next level. And adding to all our excitement today, ladies and gentlemen, we have our speakers and dignitaries who are joining us from different parts of the globe. So to kickstart our event today and to set the tone right for our launch, I'm going to request two very special gentlemen to take over the stage. We have with us Mr. Max Martin, who's joining us all the way from the United States. Mr. Max Martin is a worldwide sales and marketing manager, building construction products Caterpillar. And we also have with us Mr. Amit Bansal, Director, Sales and Marketing, Building Construction Products, India Region Caterpillar. Gentlemen, this virtual stage is all yours.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's my privilege and pleasure to welcome you all on behalf of Caterpillar and our dealers, Gemco and Gainwell, to the launch of all new Cat 4x4 backhoe loader. I would like to thank you for taking the time out of your busy schedule to grace the occasion and making it a grand success.
This year marks the 50th anniversary of Caterpillar manufacturing in India. And what a great way to mark the anniversary with this fantastic new machine. We've been focused on India over all these years to engineer products and services that enable our customers to grow their business. The all-new 4x4 backhoe loader represents that commitment to our customers better than ever. We are proud to be part of India's success story up until now and long into the future. This machine marks that next chapter in the story. Personally, I've been looking forward to this launch to share with you our all-new 4x4 backhoe because I know your business deserves the best.
At Caterpillar, we are passionate about manufacturing quality construction equipment. Our previous models of backhoe loaders have been serving the Indian industry for last several years and have proved their mettle in some of the very difficult applications beyond doubt. We have been updating these models to keep in line with the ever-evolving customer requirements. For our new machine, we have pulled together expertise from India as well as from other countries and combined them with the experience that we have gained in India working with our customers to produce something which is truly exceptional in nature. The all-new Cat 4x4 is a step change from us which has been designed to make you successful in your business. We look forward to being a partner with you because we know your business deserves the best.
Thank you for your wonderful warm words of welcome and for also taking us through the glorious 50 years legacy of Caterpillar manufacturing in India and also taking us through how we are focused on India to offer products and services to our customers to help build their business. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm sure all of y'all are eagerly waiting for the unveiling to happen today. Maybe some of y'all have also caught a small glimpse of this magnificent machine, but for those who haven't, here is an exclusive sneak peek. Wow, after watching that teaser, I am sure that this launch, this new release is going to be an absolute blockbuster. And on that note, I'd like to welcome our next speaker. We have with us Mr. Chandrasekhar V, Managing Director and CEO from Gemco Limited, joining us all the way from Chennai. Sir, may I request you to kindly take over the stage?
Hi. Last few months has been truly challenging. The country has been ravaged by the pandemic. We were able to keep our offices and parts depots open to the extent possible as permitted by the government to support our customers with parts and services. Our association with Caterpillar is over 34 years old. We are a part of CK Birla Group company, which is a $2.4 billion group. We have more than 70 plus offices and 2,500 plus technical manpower to support our customers. We offer tailor-made solutions to our customer to meet their needs. I'm truly excited about the launch of the new 424. This is a high-performance machine with a low cost of ownership. I'm sure as customers, you'll be benefited by this product. We are truly excited to see this product on the ground. I'm sure we'll be able to support you much better than what we were doing before. We are always with you. Thank you for your patronage and thank you for your support.
Thank you, Mr. Chandrasekhar, for helping us understand how the customer-centric approach at Gemco goes beyond sales and business. And on that note, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to welcome our next speaker from Gainwell Commo Sales Private Limited. We have with us Mr. Sunil Kumar Chaturvedi, Chairman and Managing Director, Gainwell, joining us all the way from Delhi. Sir, I request you to kindly take over.
नमस्कार, कैटरपिलर परिवार की ओर से एक नए बैकहो लोडर को विमोचित करते हुए हम सभी को बहुत हर्ष हो रहा है। इस मौके पे मैं कैटरपिलर के हज़ारों जो कस्टमर्स हैं और गेनवेल के जो हज़ारों कस्टमर्स रहे हैं उन सभी को हार्दिक बधाई देता हूं और बहुत हम सबको खुशी है कि एक बहुत ही एफिशिएंट, नया और टेक्नोलॉजिकली एडवांस्ड बैकहो लोडर हम लोग इंडिया में लेके आए हैं। सबसे बड़ी बात यह है कि ये यहीं पर मैन्युफैक्चर हो रहा है जैसा कि होता रहा है और इसमें कैटरपिलर का एक बहुत ही अच्छा एफिशिएंट इंजन भी इस बार इंक्लूड किया गया है। न केवल ये मशीन तेल की खपत कम करेगी, बहुत एफिशिएंट है पुराने मॉडल्स की तुलना में, बल्कि एमिशन के हिसाब से ये हमको काफ़ी दूर तक इस इंजन के साथ लेके जाएगी, ये ऐसा हम लोगों का मानना है। बैकहो लोडर टेक्नोलॉजी से बहुत पूरित है। ये एक कनेक्टेड मशीन है जिसमें हम लोग हमारे सारे कस्टमर्स भाई और हम लोग खुद भी उनकी अनुमति से इसकी परफॉर्मेंस को ऑनलाइन मॉनिटर कर सकते हैं, देख सकते हैं, किसी भी वक्त देख सकते हैं जब बैकहो लोडर काम कर रहा है। ये बहुत महत्वपूर्ण वर्ष है हम सब के लिए क्योंकि ये वर्ष कैटरपिलर की इंडिया में मैन्युफैक्चरिंग के फील्ड में उपस्थिति का 50वां वर्ष है। बैकहो लोडर के लिए पिछले 20 साल में हम लोग इंडिया में उपस्थित रहे हैं और हज़ारों कस्टमर्स हमारे साथ हैं कैटरपिलर के बैकहो लोडर के साथ। गेनवेल परिवार के लिए ये बहुत महत्वपूर्ण वर्ष है क्योंकि हमारे 77 वर्ष पूरे हुए आपकी सेवा में, आप सभी कस्टमर्स की सेवा में। मैं दोबारा आप सभी को इस नए बैकहो लोडर के विमोचन के इस अनुष्ठान में आपका हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूं और आपको बहुत बहुत बधाई देता हूं। मुझे पता है कि ये बैकहो लोडर आपको बहुत दूर तक आपके बिज़नेस को लेके जाएगा और सबसे बड़ी बात जो कि हमारे उत्तर भारतीय या नेपाल के जो हमारे साथी कस्टमर्स हैं या भूटान के जो कस्टमर्स हैं या नॉर्थ ईस्ट के जो कस्टमर्स हैं, इसमें 4 व्हील ड्राइव भी आ रहा है जो कि हम लोग अभी तक एक डिफरेंट मॉडल के साथ में लेके आते थे। अब इसी इंटीग्रेटेड मॉडल में आपको 4 व्हील ड्राइव भी ऑप्शन मिलेगा। तो इन सारी खूबियों के साथ इस मॉडल को आज इंडिया में उपस्थित करते हुए हम सभी को बहुत खुशी है और मैं कैटरपिलर का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूं कि 50वें वर्ष में उन्होंने इंडिया में इस नए मॉडल को विमोचन करने का निर्णय लिया है। आप सभी को हम सभी की ओर से बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं और धन्यवाद। नमस्कार।
Thank you so much, Mr. Sunil Kumar Chaturvedi, for helping us understand how at Gainwell our number one priority has always been and will always continue to be customer service. And also thank you for setting the stage up for what's coming next. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, you have guessed it right. The moment we've all been waiting for is finally here. Months and months of anticipation and planning, and it all comes down to this moment. We have our senior leadership team that is all set and ready to go ahead and do the honor of unveiling the machine that is going to transform your business, the machine that is going to take your business to the next level, a machine that is designed to lead the way. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you the all-new CAT 4x4 backhoe loader in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and here we go! Ladies and gentlemen, this launch has definitely been worth the wait. What a glorious new addition. I mean, the look, the feel, the power, the design, and the sheer brilliance. You know this machine was designed to deliver excellence. You know this machine is going to be the answer to all your business needs. This machine is definitely designed to lead the way. And for those who want a closer look, ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you an audio-visual presentation. Well, I'm sure after watching that video, you all have a lot more questions about the product design and the vision. And so we have with us the Caterpillar senior leadership team from Worldwide Backhoe Loader Product Group. We have with us Mr. Jerome Guilford, General Manager, Worldwide Backhoe Loaders from the United States. And we also have with us Mr. Matthew Cartwright, Marketing Manager, Worldwide Backhoe Loaders from the United Kingdom. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome these two gentlemen on stage.
Thank you for being with us on this 3-year-long journey of our new 4x4 backhoe loader product. It brings me great excitement to share with you this launch today. With the all-new 4x4, we had a vision to design and build a backhoe loader in India, for India, with the look and feel that matches our latest generation of products globally. The new machine is designed with our customers in mind, meeting application requirements on all fronts and staying ahead in terms of performance and fuel efficiency. As we know, this is a direct impact on our customers' bottom line. The all-new 4x4 we are launching today is a result of that vision. and we are proud to bring this backhoe loader to our customers. We know your business deserves the best. Thank you.
Globally, we've been building backhoe loaders for over 35 years, and we've adapted and developed the machine to meet and exceed changing customer demands across the world. India is a very important market, and a market that we've put a lot of focus into, and we know from our customers that a backhoe loader needs to be strong, durable, robust, with very high quality levels and world-class performance and fuel efficiency. The all-new 424, which we're excited to be launching here today, is a big step forward. Our global team have poured all their years of experience, expertise and knowledge into the machine with a customer at front of mind. Our world-class engineering team have loaded the machine with value, with leading engine technology, the latest features and proven options, all wrapped up in a stylish and comfortable package. The result is a backhoe loader that stands out and leads to those who matter most, our customers. Our product team believes your business deserves the best.
Thank you, gentlemen, for sharing that powerful message on the vision behind the all-new CAT 424 backhoe loader and its unique striking features. That being said, up next we have something very, very interesting lined up for you. We bring to you a detailed, in-depth walkthrough of the all-new CAT 424 backhoe loader.
So this is all new CAT 424 backhoe loader with lot of new exciting options and features. With all our global expertise, we have completely reimagined our backhoe loader, keeping in mind what customer here wants and look forward to. Let's take a closer look on all the key features and benefits. The loader side could be summarized as more dump height, more power, more robust and much faster. Narrow loader bucket has been designed to deliver powerful loader performance. The force is concentrated to the narrow width and delivers good material penetration and bucket fill. There is an option of multi-purpose loader bucket which offer more functionality to the machine. Strong parallel lift 4-arm geometry loader arm which utilizes 2 lift and 2 bucket cylinders. The whole design of the loader arm is to provide operator with high breakout forces and lots of power for dosing and loading. With this new loader arm, dump height is increased to meet the customer expectations. There is a big torque tube in the loader bucket and loader arm to take up strong loads. This new loader design with more height, more power and more strength now make 424 a perfect choice for customers who look forward to do a lot of loading and dosing applications. 424 is powered with proven and reliable CAT 3.6 engine. This engine is ahead with technology, designed for future and available today. It's a high torque engine delivering peak torque as high as 424 Nm and meets BS5 engine emission norms. With this engine, our fuel efficiency and performance are improved from our previous model. We have also introduced new Smart Eco Mode option. It's an innovation from us to improve fuel efficiency without limiting engine throttle by optimizing engine characteristics. Now with this engine, you could get desired performance at lower engine throttle than our previous machine, adding more fuel benefits. Thus, customer can get best of both fuel efficiency and performance with our smart engine solution. Like the previous machine, 424 uses variable displacement hydraulic pump system. The big benefit is it only provides hydraulic flow when operator needs it. This helps with very good fuel efficiency. 424 uses robust CAT drivetrain designed to deliver strong rim pull, improved braking system, a new smooth foot throttle delivers desired performance with less effort and improves operator comfort. We now have narrow frame, which helps us to get into the narrow lanes and to the narrow trucks. The hoe side of the 424 is designed to deliver superior performance, big dig depth and lots of reach to the operators. With the excavator style boom, machine can work in confined areas, keeping trucks closer to the machine and still have plenty of clearance to the truck sidewall, and also you can dig over the obstacles. Having 60-40 split between boom and stick helps with better reach over the trucks and strong stick force. 205-degree bucket rotation keeps good material retention and more digging power. We have various hoe bucket options. Standard bucket is 0.27 cubic meter and new introduction is 0.3 cubic meter hoe bucket. We are pleased to introduce CAT B8S silenced hammer. 424 has option to have hammer lines, so hammer can be fitted quite easily and quickly, improving the versatility of the machine. CAT B8S silenced hammer delivers strong impact power. Robust and silenced housing helps with strong durability, quieter operation and less machine vibration. Tuck brackets help with easy transport. This is our new stylish cabin with great comfort and safety, nice fit and finish like any of our global machines. Cabin is designed with rollover protective structure and falling object protective structure, so operator is protected all time. Cap mountings at the ends improve stability and lowers cabin vibration. Standard suspension seat. New steering wheel with improved comfort. Consoles fit and finish. New cluster with all information and easy access, and overall cab interiors is designed with stylish look and feel. Spacious cabin with excellent all-round visibility. Flat glass all around with improved ceiling for lower noise level inside the cab. There are door windows which helps with good ventilation for operators during marching or loading applications. All the windows have got the provision to keep it partially open, which helps with better ventilation for operators in dusty environment. Large opening rear window which is easy to open and close. Loader and hoe controls are ergonomically placed, giving most comfortable operating position. Hoe controls comes with standard cross pattern and is interchangeable to plus depending on operator requirements. We have optional aircon in 424 and there are more than enough ducts. We have got 6 ducts in the front, 8 ducts in rear, all facing operator and helps to keep cool work environment. In summary, this cabin is quite stylish with look and feel like any of our global machine and ensures operator does more work with comfort and safety all day, every day. To meet all terrain and application requirements, 424 comes in 2 major variants, 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive. Daily maintenance is quite important for the machine. We have made it really easy for operators to do his daily checks. Operator has good access to engine dipstick, transmission dipstick, hydraulic oil levels and coolant levels. All filling points and filters are kept away from dust. Battery disconnect comes standard with all machine. So this is our CAT 424, mission design keeping customers in mind, with best of our global expertise and technology to deliver more of what matters to customers. For more information, visit cat.com or contact your local CAT dealer.
Well, we hope that walkthrough provided you with all the answers and knowledge that you seek. Moving on, I'd like to welcome on stage Mr. Manav Kohli, Chief Operating Officer, Construction Industries Head, Gainwell, who's joining us all the way from Delhi. And we also have Mr. Prashant Bisson, Senior Vice President, Construction Industries Head, Gemco Limited, who's joining us from Chennai. And these two gentlemen are here to share their outlook with us.
गेनवेल के समस्त टीम की तरफ से मैं पूरे उत्साह से नए कैट 424 का स्वागत करता हूं। जैसा कि हमने आज देखा, नया कैट 424 कई बड़ी चेंजेस के साथ आया है जो हमारे कस्टमर्स के लिए फायदेमंद साबित होंगी। एक खास बात कि नया कैट 424 अब कैट 3.6 इंजन के साथ में है जो BS5 कंप्लायंट है। इसका मतलब यह है कि जब 2024 में BS5 एमिशन नॉर्म्स कंपलसरी हो जाएंगे तो कैट 424 के कस्टमर्स को दोबारा किसी चेंज या असुविधा का सामना नहीं करना पड़ेगा। एक दूसरी खास बात कि नया कैट 424 4-व्हील ड्राइव ऑप्शन के साथ में उपलब्ध है और गेनवेल की टेरिटरी में जो पहाड़ी क्षेत्र हैं जहां पे 4-व्हील ड्राइव वर्जन का प्रचलन है, वहां के कस्टमर्स अब कैटरपिलर का 424 4-व्हील ड्राइव वर्जन के साथ में यूज़ करके अपना काम कर पाएंगे और इससे उनको फ़ायदा होगा। मैं आशा करता हूं कि हमारे कस्टमर्स जल्दी ही नए कैट 424 को अपने बिजनेस का हिस्सा बनाएंगे और अपने बिजनेस को आगे बढ़ाएंगे। धन्यवाद।
Good day customers, thank you for joining us. Within Jimco, the new 424 backhoe loader is something that has been eagerly anticipated. The new 424 brings freshness and improvements that we are delighted to bring into our customers. The new 424 machine will join over 12,000 CAT backhoe loaders already running in the market. The significant improvement in fuel efficiency just in standard mode really excites us. Adding to this, the new patented Caterpillar Eco Mode brings in even more savings to customers. Our Eco Mode communicates with the engine control system to change the engine operating characteristics. This delivers improved fuel efficiency without major compromise on performance. The fuel savings on this new machine will give a great impact direct to our customers on bottom line. Product support team and well-trained technicians are prepared to provide best-in-class services to this machine. We provide online part sales and delivery, periodic maintenance visits, and on-time expert product support for all our customers. We own the health of your machines and track it using high-end telematics devices to provide you the right care. We ensure that customers are always happy with our services and bring process innovations to drive customer delight. We are sure that the new 424 will be a reliable partner to you and will help you to grow your business. Stay safe and healthy and call us for all your equipment needs. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, gentlemen, for taking us through how the all-new CAT 424 backhoe loader is going to help our customers build their business. And with that, we come to the end of our launch event. I'd like to once again welcome Mr. Amit Bansal to kindly come forward and present the vote of thanks.
अब हम इस कार्यक्रम के समापन की ओर बढ़ते हैं। मैं एक बार फिर से आप सभी का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगा जो आपने इस कार्यक्रम में शामिल होकर के इसे सफल बनाने में योगदान दिया। मैं आपको यह भी बताना चाहूँगा कि हमने इस मशीन की बुकिंग खोल दी है और आप इसे खरीद कर जल्दी से जल्दी प्रगति के मार्ग पर अग्रसर हो सकते हैं। हम एक सीमित समय के लिए नेशनल ऑफर भी लॉन्च कर रहे हैं जिसके अंतर्गत इस मशीन के इंजन पर 3 साल या 6000 घंटे की एक्सटेंडेड वारंटी दी जा रही है। कैट फाइनेंस ने भी कई सारी स्कीम्स निकाल रखी हैं जिसके अंतर्गत इस मशीन को खरीदना अब और भी ज़्यादा आसान हो गया है। मैं आप सभी को आमंत्रित करता हूं कि आप लोग आगे बढ़ें और इस मशीन को खरीदकर प्रगति के मार्ग पर अग्रसर हों। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। नमस्कार। हैव अ गुड इवनिंग।
Thank you so much, Mr. Amit Bansal, for your kind words of appreciation. Well, ladies and gentlemen, once again, thank you all for your presence. Thank you for being here and making this occasion twice as special for us. Now, before I leave, a quick reminder, please practice social distancing. Please wear your masks and please sanitize. Stay healthy and stay safe. And until I have the pleasure and honor of seeing you all again, this is me, Samina, signing off.